Hi, I'm Paul Salazar. Welcome to this grand Italian villa in the heart of Encino, sitting on over an acre of land with the most incredible views of the valley and San Gabriel Mountains. This custom estate features 7 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, over 8,000 square feet, a resort-style pool and spa, and a championship lighted tennis court with 180-degree views. Let's go check it out. If you love to entertain, this entry and living room is going to blow you away. The volume in this room is so grand, where you can showcase all your beautiful artwork, which will complement the views, and it leads right into the dining room.
Sunrise, perfect on your face, talking all night.
One of the unique things about this property is that you get the best of both worlds. You have spaces with a great volume and scale, but you also have intimate spaces like the family room, kitchen with breakfast area, home office, and wine cellar.
This feeling is swift like a river running to you. You make me go.
Welcome to your very own private master wing with views from every corner. It has amenities like a large deck, 2 outfitted walk-in closets, a stone fireplace, and a spa-like master bath. What you get with over an acre of land is plenty of space to entertain. This resort-style backyard has a pool and spa, grassy area where your kids and dog can play, areas to sunbathe, and direct access to the downstairs area where you can have a theater room, a game room, and a bar. Just when you thought you'd seen it all, invite your friends for a match on one of the best view tennis courts in the entire city. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you here soon.